Okay, guys, good morning, good afternoon. Welcome back to the channel. So, we are going to be talking about the practical setup. But I'm going to be showing you what we have to download. So, we start with Git badge. Git badge. So, you download this, the first one here, which is this. You click here, you will direct you to the. If you are using Mac, you download this one. If you are using Windows, you download this. If you are using different from Mac or different from Windows, you download it with this one. So one other one again, you have to download VS Code. VS Code. This one over here, you have to download this. After downloading it, you set up everything. This is how it is. So you are going to download it. After you download it, you create a folder. You open it with the folder. If you open it with the folder, it will link you to your to where you are going to create your file. So this is it. You press here, download. I've already downloaded it. That's why I did not press the download button. But these are the things you need to have. Tools, coding tools you need to have. You need to have this. You need to have also this. So you need to have one other one. You need to have Chrome. Yes, you need to download Chrome. If you don't have Chrome, any browser you are using, you need to download Chrome. Make sure Chrome is set as default. You download your Chrome as default. You make it as default so that you are going to be checking your code from your what's it called? From your code editor, which is your VS Code. From this place, you are going to be checking it from this your Chrome. You have to download Chrome, you have to download VS Code, Visual Studio Code, you have to download Git, you have to download Git, VS Code, and Chrome. These are the three software you need. And most especially, you must have your window must be Windows 11 upward. Windows 11 upward, because if you are using Windows 7, it won't be it will be nice and it will be perfect for you to be um using it. So bye, that would be bye for now. So I'm in our next um section. I'm going to be showing you HTML and CSS, but moreover I'm going to be showing you more of Tailwind, because Tailwind is form of animation and so many things. Tailwind CSS is the advanced um sector for type CSS, normal CSS. So it's the advance of CSS. So we are going to be using Tailwind CSS. So that's what we are going to be using. So let me show you the documentary Tailwind CSS. So this is Tailwind CSS. I'm going to show you the documentary. Welcome to Tailwind. So this is it. So you can see here flex flex control. Don't worry, in our next class we are going to be talking about all these things. You are going to be seeing, you can see, can you see that? So this is the documentary of Tailwind CSS. So we are going to be looking at so many things, but our next class we are looking at HTML. HTML. We are looking at the introduction to HTML. In our next class, we are looking at the introduction to in our next class we are looking at introduction to HTML. So that will be bye for now. Before I close up this, I want to remind you again, you must have Git installed, you must have VS Code, you must have Chrome, and please read on this. You can see the website here. Read on this Tailwind CSS. Look at the documentary. Go to the installation and look for how to use it. Look for how to use it. Type here the get started button, you are going to see it. So we are going to be using React. So read about this. Go and look for other YouTube videos. Go on YouTube, search for Tailwind CSS, how to style and everything, so that we can you can catch up with the class. I'm going to skip CSS, so I'm going to be using Tailwind CSS and J. I'm going to be using Tailwind CSS and HTML. So God bless you guys with knowledge to continue with this. See you in the next class. Thank you.